Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need a clear baseline, Vampire class unlocked, level 5 skills, and lifesteal on your primary gun. Start by equipping the Vampire main gun and a lifesteal module. This gives sustain in prolonged fights. Once done, invest roughly 60% of your upgrade points into critical chance and damage to capitalize on lifesteal, and the remaining into armor and HP to survive burst. Make sure to slot one backup weapon for anti-armor and rotate abilities early to trigger heal on hit. Engage with a quick opener. Burst one target to proc lifesteal, then disengage to avoid focus fire. You want to alternate abilities, use a mobility or escape, then return within 8 to 12 seconds so lifesteal and damage buffs align. This preserves HP while maximizing DPS. Once done, assess enemy composition and swap to your anti-armor backup if shields or turrets appear. Make sure to kite and weave. This pattern increases uptime on heals and reduces chances of being pinned down. Close fights by combining a crit-heavy combo with lifesteal procs so your damage also heals you. This finishes targets and sustains you for the next encounter. Once done, always reposition behind cover and use mobility abilities to reset. Retreat proactively if you fall to 30% HP so regen and cooldowns can recover. If lifesteal isn't working, make sure modules are in the right slots. Check weapon affinity and priority order. And confirm there's no enemy debuff blocking healing. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.